Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I am here to do a share on my July DT project um, for Artzology, and I am so excited about getting started on this. It is just a beautiful kit that I have chosen, and it's just a little different from normal for me. I don't know. It may not be. It might just be me. I don't know. So, let me show you guys. I know I'm filming this a little early, but I'm anxious to get started. So, and I'm trying to get in the habit of showing um, the digitals before I start cutting them up, putting them together. I want to get in the habit of doing that because the digitals that I choose and that is created are gorgeous, and this one here is not an exception to that. Did I come out right? It probably didn't. Anyway, you guys know what I mean. Come on now. Let me show you. As soon as I move my other thing out of the way. Okay, so squeaky chair. So this is one of them I chose, and this is the assemblage junk journal kit number 178. I will have that link down below. I will have Deb's YouTube channel, Etsy store, all down below, and the links to the kits that I'm using today. So these are the background papers. I have not backed them on anything, or you know what I mean. I'm still debating on what I want to do, but here they are. Beautiful. I love that. Here's this collage, and I love this collage because it leaves you plenty of places to still write on it. But something else you can do is you could tear these out and use these as pieces in your journals. Like this here could be taken out, and you could use this as you know, a tag, or these here, you know, you can use them. This here, this would be great as a little on a tag, and this as well. So just because it is a background page or just a page, I don't know how you would describe it, so I'm just going to say a background page because, you know, that's what I'm going to use it for. Doesn't mean you can't take it apart and collage it differently. Not that this isn't beautifully put together, but you could take like this and put on a tag, and you know what I mean. So beautifully done. Here is another one. I love this one. This would be great. Take this out. Oh, I just noticed the ruler. Wow. You know, this here could be like, take this, and that'd be a beautiful journal tag, card, and things like that. So her collage papers are absolutely stunning. Here is another one of her background pages. Absolutely, she has done a fantastic job. I love these. I love just the little, you know, hints of writing on here. The little, oh, you can't, I've got a stupid, shadow because of this weather and stuff and being so dark, but you can see hints of green and through here. Here is another one of her collage papers, and some of these I've got two printed because I have plans for them. But this here would be great, you know, take this out, use it for a journal card. This here would be good for a journal card or tags, or print this on cardstock and take these out and use them for pockets and things like that. So I have two of those printed out. Look at this. I love, okay, this is one of my favorites. I love the fact that she took one of the background pages and they are put in here, this graph. I'm in love with graph paper right now. So I love this. I love the postcard. I mean, you could take this out and this could be a tag, and this could be a belly band, and this could be a tag, and this can be washi. So lots of different things that you can do with these, not just, you know, keep them as a full page, but many other things that you can create with them. Another gorgeous one. And do I got one? Yeah, I just have one of these. That would be great washi, you know. Beautiful. I love the script and the lined paper here and this little tea stained paper here. You know, this is just absolutely beautiful. I love the way this is put together. I love the tear lines. You know, just absolutely stunning, really. And the tape. You see how that looks like, you know, that's taped down. I absolutely love that, guys. I love this one here. I love them all. And I say that a lot. I love this, because I do. I love this lined paper. I love this image here. Take this out and make it something else. You know, put it on a tag or make a corner tuck or something. Love the stamp here. Beautiful papers. This one here, oh my goodness, you could do so many things. Take this out, this off, take this out, and this here, and make journal cards and different things. I mean, there's so many different things that you can do with these papers. And I've got 2 of those. Now here is some little journal cards. This wasn't supposed to be on regular paper, but it is what it is. I can take these out, rip them out, you know what I mean. And these would be beautiful as collages. So there are the papers. The background papers and pages, you know what I mean. Here, these I printed on cardstock. The journal cards that I just showed. Love these. I love this floral here. See, when I look at this, I keep seeing new and different things I haven't seen before. And that's what I love about these. Here's the tags. Beautiful tags. I love this. Here are some more tags. And these envelopes, like these are beautiful. They're enveloped file folders, but they'd be perfect as an envelope too. Oh, sorry guys. They'd be perfect as an envelope as well. So, and then I shrunk them down. Well, when I printed them out, I chose not to have it in its regular form. I made them to 5x7s, so I have little ones here that I can use for journal cards or little mini file folders or make little booklets. So this would be, I thought that was a really cool idea. And I did 2 of those. So there is the assemblage journal kit. And that's the whole kit. That's a lot, you guys. A lot that comes in this kit. So, like I said, I have the link down below for this one here. And I also got the tear sheets. Look at these. I love this. Like, I'm really in love with this. I see so much to do with this. You know, tear this out here. And this could be on a page for a tuck. This here would be a beautiful journal card. So would this one here. A little check here that you could tear out. This here I can see is a corner tuck. So, and I printed, like I said, 2 of each because I have a lot of ideas going through my head. I love this. This would be perfect for the front image of your journal or a pocket or a journal card, you know, just take it right down here, and that is just stunning, absolutely beautiful. This here you could cut out or tear out, you know, and use it as a tuck. You could fussy cut this out, like this key would be beautiful, fussy cut out and used as an embellishment. You know, all of this can be. So there is my July design team project for Artzology for Deb. Y'all need to go over and check her out, you guys. Go look and see what she's got. Go to her Etsy store, pick these up. We could do a craft along. So, yeah, go over and grab these. Let's do, I'm going to do some craft with me videos anyway, but you can craft with me, and we can make some pretty awesome things and an amazing journal. So, thank you guys for joining. I hope you will stick around and look for my craft with me videos for this kit for the month of July, and I will probably start that first or close to it. You guys know how I am. I get really excited about doing things, and I don't like to wait. And sometimes I probably should. Thank you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I leave you with a goodbye, a God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.